I request Ravina ji to felicitate Mr. Rajiv Mehta for the long-standing, steady support given by Leelavati Hospital. And one second, may I call Janvi Modi? Where is she? Yes, yes. Janvi is a co-trustee of the Spina Bifida Foundation, a psychologist by profession, and a mother of a spina bifida child. So, welcome. Operations and yeah. Is he has set up the factory in Egypt and he has recently set up the factory. Request Ravina to please felicitate and I request Mr.
Mr. Parag Bhai and Preeti Shah's son got married recently. The entire gift for the reception, for the wedding with the foundation.
In fact, it was please come up, such a great gesture that in their wedding invitation they printed that instead of any gifts, presents, please donate to the foundation. So that was absolutely inspiring, and so I mean anyone whom I tell this, they are just in awe. And the foundation had a desk at their wedding.
I and Santosh were together in the medical education. I was a surgeon, he was a pediatric surgeon, and he helped me a lot at that time. So I thought I should reciprocate.
Thank you so much.
Parag Bhai happens to be a great hiker, runner, skier, what do you call it? Skiing. He does great things and he always pushes us from the back, run better, how you keep your hands better. And now he is a part of our foundation, so we will also guide us how to run the foundation well. Thank you so much, Parag Bhai.
We also have amongst us India's most popular singing couple. Okay, Mr. Samir Date and Deepali Date. And that's what your ad says, and it's great. And they have been touring all over the world, doing shows, and they just did one last week in Australia with Sonu Nigam's father, and it was a great sold out show. And Samir and Deepali have been supporting the work of the foundation for these past few years, and they do it with great honesty.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. Just wanted to say thank you so much for the wonderful honor. I feel Spina Bifida Foundation to be very, very, very close to my heart. I have learned a lot. I found some of my really close friends through the foundation, and I think the reason why I was able to come for my MBA in US and be able to get into Duke and make the move and shift of leading a very independent life. I think it's all happened because of the confidence and also all of the great projects and the research and just the conversations that I had because of my involvement with the Spina Bifida Foundation. And I'm so thankful for Dr. Karmakar sir for just the opportunities and just the amount of support, especially the moral support that he has usually offered to all of the people, everybody that's part of the foundation. It's been phenomenal, and I'm so happy and I'm so thankful for all of the moments that I was able to contribute to it, and I am looking forward to even more doing so once I'm back. And I would like to continue and offer the support in any way I can. So thank you so much. And I'm
And while we are getting his memento on stage, I met him in 2014 in London at their board of directors meeting, and there where I made a presentation on spina bifida, and at the end of the presentation, Professor Alwani had tears in his eyes, and he said that Dr. Karwalkar, we will support you for whatever you want for this cause. And so it's a great honor that he's here with us today. May I request, yes, Uma will like to say a few words.
So it is honor to be with you all, and I always say, Dr. Karwalkar, that when we come and meet all of you, we get inspired because all the parents and all the brave hearts, I think that we need to learn from you rather than you learning something from us, and you have always been an inspiration, and it's our pleasure to support the foundation. And today we are very fortunate to have attended so many programs, outreach program for Spina Bifida Foundation today, but today we feel very honored and happy that our chairman Dr. Alwani is here. He is a 93-year-old young person who works every day 12 hours a day, and he had a minor fall in the month of February, and he had a fracture, and then he did not allow doctors to operate him, and then he got healed, and he is here for the present for the program, and we are very happy, and he has worked tremendously. He has dedicated his life for the cause of innovation for the women healthcare and children healthcare. So big round of applause for Dr. Alwani.
So, Dr. Alwani and his company have got the Queen's Award 2 or 3 times in UK. And Sahil, is he there? Sahil has his own modified car, no company can do. And with that inspiration,
Thank you. I,
how are you feeling?
I'm feeling very good coming here.
I thought you were going to say hungry. Where do you stay in Goa?
In Kolim, Old Goa,
Okay. And which school?
Kendra Vidyalayah, I study in
And which class?
5th standard. I study B.
Great.
I would like to thank my Spina Bifida Foundation. Because of Spina Bifida Foundation, my para-athletic journey would started from 2024. Spina Bifida support me a lot throughout my journey by providing this wheelchair, active wheelchair. So I would reach out my all events from 2024, state, nationals, and after that Khelo India. So I would like to thank Janana and Santosh sir for supporting me throughout my journey, and
My target is to set 2028 Olympic gold medal for. I promise you to. I will bring gold medal to my Spinal Foundation. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I just wanted to say a big thank you to the Spina Bifida Foundation for always being a support, a strength. They can, not just for my career, they have been supporting me for my NEET case. I've been fighting a case in High Court and now I'm on the way to pursue that dream. I want to thank each one of you, because not just for my career but in my personal life as well. If I need any support, they'll just come to my home to convince my parents. It's on that level. So thank you so much.
Yeah, so it's all, I mean, they are great inspirers themselves. So, I mean, we get inspired to do so many things because of all of them. And as she was mentioning, when she was young, the disability certificate mentioned 90% disability. And then this year, when she wanted to appear for the NEET exam to become a doctor, the rules say that if it's above 70% disability, you are not allowed to become a doctor.
The foundation for me, like whenever I feel there's no hope, I turn back to them and they retrieve me somehow. Wherever I go on vacation, I get stuck up with my health. Whatever it is, sir is always there to have my back. Not only with respect to health, with career guidance, and they've always been a great support. And it's really wonderful having you all over here. Hope to meet you also. Thank you so much.
Again, a strong lady and has brought up wonderful children who are aiming to step in her shoes. Outshine us. And maybe some of you know that she adopted two girls as her children, and seeing that they also grew up so well. So we are very happy that Ravina has spared her precious time, as usual, dashing from one shoot to the other, and we would like to acknowledge her. And Sonia, please, and we'll ask Mr. Rajiv Mehta and Uma, please come up. Rajiv, come. A big round of applause.
Thank you.
जब मुझे करमाकर जी बुलाते हैं हमारे फाउंडेशन के फाउंडेशन दिन पर, और हम लोगों को हो गए हैं करीब कितने साल रियली 10 से ज्यादा आई गेस मोर आई थिंक 14-15 साल तो हो गए हैं साथ में. एंड अब ये जितने यहाँ बच्चे हैं, हर साल मैं उनको देखती हूँ, मुझे लगता है मेरे बच्चे जैसे बड़े हो रहे हैं. हर साल एक इन बच्चों को बड़ा देखती हूँ. आपकी मम्मी ने और हमने साथ में लास्ट टाइम भी फोटो खींचा था साथ में. नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप? ठीक. तो अच्छा लगता है हर साल बच्चों को देख के सिर्फ एक उम्मीद ही नहीं, लेकिन एक बहुत खुश चेहरे देख के, ये मुस्कुराहट देख के कि कहीं ना कहीं शायद हम सब मिलकर इनके लिए, इनकी जो हमारी आगे की पीढ़ी है, इनके फ्यूचर के लिए आज हम वो उम्मीद और इनको वो जो आशा है वो दे सकते हैं, और ये खूबी निभा रहे हैं. और एक चीज़ आई वुड वांट टू से, ये सब मुझे लगता है मुमकिन नहीं होता until and unless मैं खुद जब उनसे मिली, मैं आई कॉल हिम द मैन विद अ विजन and a man with a mission. So vision and mission is something that was synonymous with Dr. Santosh Karmarkar. एक इंस्पिरेशन है ये सबके लिए. तो पहले तो मैं इनको धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी. जानवी जी जो हर साल मैं उनसे मिलती हूँ, इनको भी धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगी because she's also been doing such great work. I want to thank the kids for achieving what they're achieving, and you sing so brilliantly. Yes. So doctor with singing, तो आप सर्जरी करेंगी और गाना गाते गाते सुनाएगी पेशेंट को। Her singing is not putting to sleep singing. Her singing is beautiful. जी, तो मैं समझती हूँ हम हमारे जितने बच्चे हैं बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं अपनी लाइफ में भी, और मेरी प्रार्थना है उन सबके साथ है जो हमारे पेरेंट्स हैं उनको भी कहूँगी that what fantastic work and what fantastic upbringing, and God be with you all, strength be with you all. I'm sure we are all here together as the Spina Bifida family. I would like to thank also sir who has come down, Mayor Vita Biotics, and Uma ji is also here. They have also been constantly supporting from a very long time, I think nearly 10 years now probably. And of course even Leelavati Hospital, Rajiv Mehta ji is here with us. I have, I think, come twice before for our Spina Bifida things at Leelavati itself.
Yes.
So I know that steadfastly you all have supported us and the foundation. And of course, Neeraj, Dr. Neeraj, thank you for providing us this space to hold such a wonderful function. And congratulations to all of you all on the success of another well-deserved foundation day. A big round of applause for all of us. Thank you so much, Dr. Karnarkar. Always inspired and obliged to you for everything.
Never say thank you so much.
No, I do say no at times. When you give me 150 grams, you have to be there. But yes, there are times, unfortunately, when I'm not in town or I'm shooting and there's something or the other going on.
You're getting busier.
But that's good now. कि बच्चे बड़े हो गए now. I have to be there. So if I'm there, these guys are there, these guys are there, the message goes across, everything is there. So it's all a consolidated effort from all of us. So again, आप सबको बहुत धन्यवाद for even being here this evening. All the doctors, all the faculty, all the staff, and the entire team of the Spina Bifida Foundation. Congratulations to another successful year, and looking forward to much more ahead. Thank you.
That's picture we can have.
And so we want to call, as I have been mentioning, we have appointed 4 more to come up and get introduced, and then
Thank you.